Hey everyone! Welcome back to Technify. If you're a drone enthusiast or a creator always chasing the latest in aerial technology, this video is for you. DJI is gearing up for an exciting 2025 with a lineup that looks to push the boundaries of performance, intelligence, and portability. From ultra-compact flyers designed for travel to pro-level machines loaded with AI-powered features, the leaks and rumors we've seen suggest a massive year ahead. In this video, we'll be diving into 4 of the most talked-about models: the cinematic DJI Avata 3, the professional-grade DJI Neo 2, the ultra-portable DJI Mini 5 Pro, and the versatile DJI Air 4. We'll break down rumored specs, design changes, camera upgrades, and smart features to give you a clear picture of what DJI might be bringing to the skies. Stick around, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a drop here on Technify. Number 4. The DJI Avata 3 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the FPV drone world, blending immersive flight with professional-grade image quality. Leaks suggest a major camera upgrade, with a rumored 1-inch sensor delivering sharper detail, richer colors, and much improved low-light performance compared to its predecessor. For creators, this could mean cinematic FPV footage that rivals larger drones. Flight time is also rumored to jump to around 30 minutes, a significant bump for FPV pilots who value every extra minute in the air. Stability might see a big leap forward too, with enhanced digital stabilization, or possibly even a mechanical gimbal, giving smoother footage during high-speed maneuvers. Safety looks to be a focus as well, with 360-degree obstacle detection making flights in tight or indoor spaces less risky. Paired with upgraded goggles, new motion controllers, and improved durability, the Avata 3 could be the ultimate FPV drone for creators in 2025. Number 3. The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to be DJI's most advanced and intelligent drone yet, aimed squarely at professionals. At the heart of the leaks is an AI-powered flight system that allows the drone to make real-time decisions in complex environments, making it perfect for tasks like surveying, construction, or dynamic filmmaking. Battery life is another standout, with reports hinting at up to 60 minutes of flight time, the longest we've ever seen in a consumer DJI drone. The camera setup doesn't disappoint either: a 1-inch 21MP sensor with adjustable aperture, 5.4K video at 60 frames per second, and 10-bit color support, delivering cinema-quality footage with rich colors and excellent dynamic range. Add in 6-way obstacle sensing, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, plus a redesigned controller with a built-in screen, and the Neo 2 looks like a true powerhouse. For creators and pros demanding intelligence, endurance, and adaptability, the Neo 2 might be DJI's crown jewel of 2025. Number 2. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to be DJI's most advanced ultralight drone yet, designed for travelers, vloggers, and everyday pilots who want pro-level features without the bulk. Staying under 250 grams, it should continue to comply with global drone regulations, making it hassle-free to fly almost anywhere. The biggest upgrade seems to be the camera. Rumors point to a 1-inch or 1.3-inch sensor capable of 4K at 120 frames per second with 10-bit color. That means stunning detail, excellent low-light performance, and vibrant footage that rivals larger drones. Battery life may also stretch beyond 40 minutes, letting creators capture longer golden hour flights without rushing. Stronger materials and improved wind resistance are expected too, making it tougher while still lightweight. With 360-degree obstacle detection, upgraded active track, and cinematic one-tap shooting modes, the Mini 5 Pro looks set to be the ultimate travel drone: compact, smart, and powerful enough for serious content creation on the go. Number 1. The DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be the perfect balance between beginner-friendly usability and professional performance. Rumors suggest a major battery upgrade, pushing flight times to 46 minutes. A huge leap for creators who want longer, uninterrupted sessions. Transmission technology may also improve dramatically, with up to 15 kilometers of range and ultra-low latency for smoother, more reliable live feeds. On the design front, the Air 4 is expected to retain its foldable, lightweight build but with stronger materials for better durability and wind resistance. Camera upgrades are just as exciting: a possible 1-inch sensor or even a dual camera setup with wide-angle and telephoto options, plus 5.4K at 60 frames per second video for versatile shooting. Add in Active Track 6.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and a new Follow Me Plus mode, and this drone is looking extremely polished. If the leaks prove true, the Air 4 could be DJI's most well-rounded drone yet in 2025. And that wraps up our breakdown of DJI's exciting 2025 drone lineup. From the immersive flight experience of the Avata 3, to the professional power of the Neo 2, the ultra-portable brilliance of the Mini 5 Pro, and the versatile balance of the Air 4, there's something here for every kind of pilot. Whether you're into cinematic FPV flying, long-range professional shoots, or just want a lightweight travel companion, DJI looks ready to deliver some of its most impressive drones yet. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, 2025 could be one of the most game-changing years in drone technology. But now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these drones excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any updates right here on Technify. Until next time, keep flying smart.